Okay, we're going to draw this object, two circles, rectangle, combine them together, and make a polyline. So it will look like this over here. First, let's get rid of this and start off. It says create two circles. Here's two circles, 2 inches apart, diameter of 1.5. So I'm going to take a random point on my screen, see enter, and choose 2, 2, enter. There's our circle, and we're going to put a radius of 0.75. Good. Now let's build the second one, and it will be 2 units over from the first one. So 4, 2, enter, and the radius of 0.75. So I can just push enter again. Now it says use P-line to construct the rectangle. So object snap on and make sure we have center. What I want to do is I just want to come down, half, come over, 2, up, 1, over 2, and down back to my half. So let's P line. And we want to start at the center, get that to pop up, come down, make sure you have ortho turned on, 0.5, enter, over, 2, enter, up, 1, enter, over 2, enter, and come back and make sure everything lines up perfect. Boom. Okay, so that object is created. Now we're going to turn it into a polyline. Let's use the first option. You type in region and then you type in union. Okay, sounds good. Region. Select your 3 objects. Select your 3 objects. Then enter and type in union. Then you select your objects and enter. Boom. Okay, so now you select it as one object. Okay, that's the first part. Okay, so the next thing we're supposed to do is change the view into 3D view, then extrude this object to 3 tall, then we're going to create a box around it, and the box has a specific spot. That's not going to work for us because I just put this design in a random spot. Let's take a look at this image again, and sure enough, there is a specific spot. That right there needs to be at 2 and 1.5. So the first thing we need to do is take this object and we need to move it. Click over here, M for move, and I want to come over here, that pops up, and I want to move this to 2, 1.5, enter. Okay, now we have that in the right spot. Let's go back to the other instructions. Let's just change the view to 3D. Okay, I'm going to hold shift down, center mouse, and there we go. Boom, done. Now we're going to extrude up 3. The extrude's not here. I need to change this over in the little gear, the working space, to 3D modeling. And now I have lots of fun tools for my 3D object. So let's extrude. I'm getting nothing. There we go. Extrude again. Nothing. Let's do push pull. Right there, that little guy. See if that works. There we go. Okay, up, 3, enter. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to build a box, and the box says it's at 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, boom. And then it's going to come this direction to 6, 3, 3. Enter, boom. There is our box. Beautiful box. And I'm going to change the view really quick here. Okay, I'm going to change the view. I don't see it. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, there we go. Wireframe. Let's change this to conceptual. And there we go. We have these two objects that are one object. We need to subtract them. So I'm going to change it back to the wire view. A little bit easier. Subtract. Click on subtract. I'm going to take this object, the outer object, enter. Subtract it from the center object. Highlight that one, enter. Done. Maybe. Let's see what it actually looks like. Go back to conceptual. Sure enough, they are subtracted from each other. You can see all the way through. Just like that.